you observe the code carefully, you would know the two-player game that we are making today is rock, paper, and scissors, which is really easy to make and it's really fun to play. So I'll just show you what you will be making in this video. So what did you choose? In this case, it's asking which one did you choose, rock, paper, or scissors. So I chose paper. Oops, sorry, that's my spelling mistake. I don't know what happened. It's a tie. So maybe the computer would have chosen paper too, and I chose paper, so it's a tie. I'll write rock. It's a tie again. Scissors. Sorry, it's my spelling mistake. Just present. No, you lost. That means the computer would have chosen rock, and I chose scissors, so I lost. So yeah, even if you may not make a small spelling error, you like it doesn't execute the program. You need to make sure that the spellings are correct. Then you'll have real fun playing. Now let's get started with making the app. So here I'm going to create a new REPL. Going to select Python and I'm going to select to layer here RPS, which is rock paper scissors. Create REPL. So first of all, what I'm going to do is from random import choice. Then I'll take a new line and write objects. So I've written objects is equal to rock, paper, and scissors, and yeah, on all of them in double inverted commas. Now I'll take a new line and I'm going to make a variable named computer is equal to choice objects. So I've created a variable computer choice in the bracket objects. I'm going to create another variable named RPS, like RPS for rock paper scissors. So over here I'm going to do input print what did you choose or what did you choose, rock, paper, or scissors, like that to make it more clear. Input rock, oops, what did you choose, rock, paper, or scissors. So that's done. And now in the next line, no, over here in the same line you write dot lower and dot strip, and this is, you know, dot low is to make whatever we write by default in the lowercase characters. And yeah, I forgot one thing, you need to put brackets after lower and strip. Yeah, now you take a new line, and now you take a new line and put if is the statement, like if rps double is equal to, don't forget to put it as double is equal to computer colon print uh, sorry, print it's a tie. and like one annoyed face like that, maybe like this, one annoyed face like this is a die of that. And yeah, one more thing, if you don't get this indent right here, you are going wrong somewhere. You need to get this indent right here, and if you get it, then you're going right. If you don't get it, then you're going wrong. Now when I take a next line, it's again giving me an indent. I don't want that indent. If the computer gives an indent, it means it's asking you, it's thinking that you'll give another statement in this if statement. But no, I want to start a new if statement, so I'll just press tab space and clear that indent. And now if rps double is equal to rock, I've written if rps double is equal to rock colon if computer double is equal to, in inverted commas you write. And now this is the winning game for rps. So rps is what basically whatever you enter. So because over here we have written rps input, what did you choose? So whatever you input will be stored in the variable rps. So now this is the winning game for rps. So if you chose rock, how would you win? Only if the opponent chose paper, right? Oh, and you also need to put a colon. Oops, not there. Right there. So you get a double indent now. You should get the double indent. And now you print, yay, you won, like a happy face. Just gonna clear that indent. Now I'm going to take another line and I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste this here. You write if here. Yeah. Now this time you choose scissors. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. That was a losing condition. Made a mistake. This would be scissors. I'm going to change this to scissors and change this to paper. Now I'm going to paste that again to write if here. If scissors and paper has come, now paper and rock. To change this to rock. Now, so we have fulfilled all the three conditions for you winning. Now we need to fulfill all the three conditions of you losing or the computer winning. So all right, if computer is equal double is equal to, one second, yeah, computer is double is equal to rock colon, and if rps double is equal to scissors colon print, no, You lost. Like a sad face over here. Going to just copy this now, paste this down here. Now instead of rock and scissors, I'm going to change the first one to scissors, and I'm going to change the RPS to paper. To paste it again. Yeah, don't forget to clear that indent. Now I'm going to choose paper here and rock in the RPS. Last, let's just say clear the indent and say print. Thank you for playing. Hope you enjoyed. Now let's run this code. So what did you choose? Rock, paper or scissors? Let's say I chose rock. It's a tie. Run that again. I'm going to choose paper. No, you lost. So the computer must have chosen scissors. I'm going to choose rock again. It's a tie. So that's the two-player game. Thank you for watching. If you couldn't write the code or you are getting some syntax error and you don't want to try that again and there's some problem, so there is the code, the full code in the description. You can just copy and paste that in a repl.it console.